it's Trini Kitchen, and today in my kitchen I'm going to be popping some corn. Are you just tired of using the microwave to pop corn? Are you scared of radiation? Well, fear no more, because in my kitchen today we are going to be popping some corn using the old-fashioned way of using just a regular pot on a stovetop. So you need to have a pot, a clean pot that is, with a lid, and I'm going to be using the star of the show, popcorn. This is Orville William Birch's original popcorn. I'm going to be using just half a cup of this popcorn. And this is how the popcorn looks like. Half a cup. And also the oil I'm using, you could use any type of oil. You could use like vegetable oil, you know, Corona, not Corona now, God, canola oil. I'm saying Corona, oh God, please excuse me, canola oil. But today I'm going to be using corn oil, okay? And just 3 tablespoons of this corn oil I'm going to be using. For those of you suffering with high blood pressure, you need to cut down on your salt intake, okay? But for me, I am just using half a teaspoon of salt. So here we go with the recipe. So what you want to do, you put your stove on. You make sure the flames are high and nice, right? And you're going to put some oil in that pot. As I've said, 3 tablespoons of oil for that amount of popcorn. So, you know, your grandkids come over, or you just feel like watching a movie, it's cold outside, or you just want to have fun and just enjoy some popcorn. All right? So you have 3 tablespoons of oil in here, and you wait until it heats up a little bit. Wait for about 1 minute, and then we'll be popping the corn. After 1 minute, you want to check to see if the oil is hot enough to pop that corn. So what I normally do when I'm popping corn, I just drop 1 popcorn inside and wait until it pops up. When it pops up, then you know, hey, it's time to really pop your corn. So let's just wait until it pops up. Popcorn, look, it just popped out from the pot. In my mouth it goes. Now you're going to put in the rest of popcorn inside that pot, that half cup. And you're going to cover it because it's going to be popping all over the place. And you want to make sure your lid is dry, there's no water in it, okay? And just cover that bad boy for about 2 minutes. And I'll be back. Popcorn is popping away in that pot. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. Look at that. Whoops. It's popping away. You want to lower your heat right now because you don't want your popcorn to burn, okay? All the residual heat will pop that corn. So it pops and pops and pops until every single popping grain is popped. Right? And this is for enjoyment. You're going to really enjoy the taste of this popcorn when it's finished. So while it's popping, I give it a little shake. And you keep on popping. Then you will hear the song sort of simmering down. When you realize that the song is simmering down, that means to say there's just a few more grains that needs to be popped. Okay, and you have to be on the alert because you don't want your popcorn to burn. You have that black look. If you listen attentively, the song is slowing down. It is slowing down. Okay, so it is slowing down. When the song is slowing down like that, you just give your pot a shake. Give it a shake, and this time you turn off the heat. Let the residual heat finish pop the corn. Look at that. Almost done. I'm going to pour the popcorn into this bowl here. Take your time and pour it in. You see, if I had kept it longer, it would have burnt. Okay? So this is how the popcorn looks. I'm telling you. So what we're going to do now, use some salt. You just sprinkle some salt in this popcorn. And you distribute the salt throughout the popcorn. Now it's time to eat. Simply delicious. If you want to put more salt, it's okay.